Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to pin a channel on WhatsApp. If you're looking to keep your favorite channels easily accessible, you're in the right place. WhatsApp now allows users to pin up to 2 channels at the top of their list, making it super convenient to stay updated with your most important content. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to pin a channel on WhatsApp. First things first, open up your WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for the Updates tab at the bottom of your screen. This is where all your status updates and channels are located. Tap on it to access your list of channels. Now, here's where the magic happens. Find the channel you want to pin. Maybe it's your go-to news source or a community you're actively involved in. Once you've located it, simply press and hold on the channel. You'll notice a menu popping up with various options. At the top of this menu, you should see a pin icon. It looks like a little push pin. Tap on that icon and voila! Your chosen channel will instantly move to the top of your channel list. It's that easy. Remember, you can only pin up to 2 channels at a time. So if you try to pin a third one, WhatsApp will ask you which of the currently pinned channels you'd like to replace. This feature ensures that your most important channels are always just a tap away, saving you time from scrolling through a long list. And there you have it. You've successfully pinned a channel on WhatsApp. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you interact with your favorite content. Whether you're keeping up with breaking news, following your favorite creators, or staying connected with your community, pinned channels put the information you care about most right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.